the Minister of Power, Minister Adebayo Adelabu, he have opened his mouth and said Nigeria needs $10 billion annually to fix power sector crisis. He said we also need to know that the tax as the momental but achievement within 20 years before the light can fit to be stable as a stabilizer.
If we dey look well, we gonna say this man is not even dey competent. How can you say they need to invest $10 million every year? $10 billion
every year.
Oh, my mom crash me. $10 billion every year for the next 20 years before we achieve steady electricity. You should know say this man not get here. They go at all.
How many years it take Dubai to become Dubai?
All right.
So the minister is not ashamed of himself. He's not even ashamed of being called Nigerian. To say 20 years. So we cannot declare state of emergency and crash this time down. We can make this power work in 5 years.
Even less than 5 years.
And you will see meaningful results. It not be everything go complete one day.
Yes.
You go see meaningful results. So, but the problem again with Nigeria is as the money they come, the money they go.
We have several hydropower dams for 20 years. Several
20
hydropower dams that can generate.
Yes.
So that billions of dollars that you are wanting.
Sorry.
Hey, Chief Balogun, just now talk say we get how many hydro something dam. That is that something that generates light.
Power.
So you need to maintain it. Not so. You need to.
So all this money is to maintain it.
Chook out. Wazobia. 95.1.